I keep telling people is that the stock market is a marathon, it's not a sprint. You must have a strategy. Some other question that people have been asking is the right time to start buying stocks? And I keep telling people the right time to buy stock was yesterday, and the right time to buy stock is also today, depending on the investment strategy. You need to look at the economy before you begin to invest, and then you need the stockbroker to guide you. You must know why you are investing, how you are investing, and what you want to achieve with your investment. Now, if you are in the stock market to trade, this might not be the best of time, because you will be buying high and your profit margin will be low. If you are in the stock market to build quick wealth, and you were not there 1 month or 2 months ago, it's not the best time to just don't think. You see some of those stocks that have moved, like Zenith, that have moved from 22 to almost to about 37, 36, 37, or GTCO also that's moving in that direction, or Access Bank that have moved from 8 to 18. You can't see them move from 18 to 36 in the shortest possible time. Or the petroleum sector, where you're seeing eternal oil is still moving. It also still has a lot of potential to move. Surplus still has a lot of percentage to move. The banking sector, like Fidelity Bank, also still have an upside. And so there's still a lot of upside, but then what is your strategy? You must have your strategy. And your strategy is, how much am I buying a stock at a discount? Is it discounted? If I buy now, am I buying at a depressed price or a discounted price? Wow. Then secondly, you must guard against two things in the market. You guard against greed and fear. Now, if you are a trader, you must know your margin of profit that you are targeting. And once you get to that margin of profit, you don't have to say, oh, it's going to go up again. That is greed. And then if you are attacking a margin of profit and it is started going, you are afraid that it will go down again, that is fear. So you must guide against this too. And with that, you now begin to work up your strategy. Are you going to be a trader? Do you want to be a retail investor? Do you want to be a shareholder? Do you want to build residual income? When I mean residual income, do you want to buy those stocks and preparing yourself for retirement, or are you buying those stocks so that you can use it also for a project? Maybe you want to build a house, maybe you want to buy a land, maybe you want to use it to save for your children's school fees. Nah, school fees. School fees. When I mean school fees, I'm not saying you have your money, your rent money, your school fees money, you give it to a stockbroker in the next 1 year. No, when I'm talking about school fees or building a house, I'm talking maybe you have a 3 years or 4 years time, and 5 years time my child will be in college. I might need to up my income. So from now, what I have, I'll be investing it so that at that time I'll be able to sell off so that he can go to the school of my dream for him. So the stock market is where you can build wealth, but you must have a strategy. It's not because everybody is going, that's the time for you to go. No. Sometime you need to wait. When others are coming out, might just be the best time for you to win in. And when others are going in, might just be the best time for you to come out. It depends on your strategy. And when you buy good stocks, when they are going down, it's an opportunity for you to buy more of those good stocks. And if they are going up, it's also an opportunity for you to make profit from it because you bought it in there. So buy fundamentally good stocks that are relevant to the economic policies of a government. I've said about the move of subsidy, the floating of the currency. Look, we are going to see an economy that will be private sector driven. And so when it's private sector driven, the financial sector will be the key driver of that economy. And then you have now, like I said, the people that are driving the rally in the stock market, you are seeing thus far, is the Nigerian investor. We are not seeing the foreign investors here, either portfolio or direct investors. When they begin to come in, they will enhance liquidity in the market, and that would help the price of stocks also go up. And that will also help the financial sector. And that will also help maybe the oil and gas sector. That could also help the industrial sector. That will also may help the consumable sector. A lot of people say, we are not talking about consumable sector. We're not talking about most of this consumable sector company yet. I'm not talking about it. I'm not seeing this sector as one sector that would move because of the economic challenges that we are going to. low earning power, subsidy has been removed. So a lot of people are managing what they have. So if you used to buy two pack of meat, you may just have to buy one. So that will affect the consumer sector. The industrial sector, this administration, will they continue the policy of the last administration in terms of building of infrastructure? What with the speech from the Mr. President, it might continue, but it might not be at the same momentum like what we saw in the previous administration. Most of the urban infrastructure will be concentrating on the power sector. And how many of the stocks in the market that play the power sector? Then you will begin to think about those stocks that are in the power sector. You will begin to look at Birigu, you can begin to look at Transcorp. These are stocks that play the power sector. And like I said, once this sector begin to play out, the financial sector is still the key driver. So you must look at all this policy and then align your strategy with those policy, and then begin to look at those companies that are going to drive this policy, and then begin to buy stocks of this company. I tell you, if you do that, you will be rich in the shortest possible time.